Ugh, my life sucks. I'm such a boring person and nothing ever happens to me. If only there was a way to change it. I don't have a car. Should I wish for a car? If I had a car, I would travel a lot and my life would never be boring again. I can't play the drums. I think I want to know how to play the drums. If I knew how to play the drums, I would have my own rock band and I wouldn't be so boring anymore. As you can see, we use the second conditional while talking about things that are impossible in the present. They are impossible because they are not true. If I don't have a car, it's not going to suddenly appear in front of me unless I have this lamp with a genie who grants wishes. I can, of course, save money and buy a car in the future, but right now I don't have a car and I can only imagine what I would do if I had one. I never buy lottery tickets because the probability of winning the lottery is non existent. If I ever won the lottery, I would probably buy a house and travel a lot. Wait, I want to win the lottery. That's my wish. If I win the lottery, I will buy a house and I will travel a lot. You might have noticed that I used two different conditional sentences. If I won the lottery, I would buy a house and travel a lot. And if I win the lottery, I will buy a house and travel a lot. Why? When I first said, if I won the lottery, I would buy a house and travel a lot, I was talking about a future situation that is probably not going to happen. But then I had a look at my lamp, and with this lamp, winning the lottery is much more probable. And as you know, when we talk about future possible situations, we use the first conditional, and that's what I did. So remember, if a future situation is probably not going to happen, we use the second conditional. If a future situation is possible, we use the first conditional. Here are some more examples of future situations that are probably not going to happen. If I found $1,000, I would buy you a gift. If I got abducted by aliens, I would certainly miss my family. If I received an email from Emma Watson, I would be very happy. Conditional sentences consist of two clauses, the if clause and the main clause. In the second conditional, we use past simple in the if clause and would plus infinitive in the main clause. If she studied, she would pass this exam. If you landed on the moon, what would you do? If I didn't eat so much chocolate, I would lose weight. We can change the order of the clauses in conditional sentences, but we have to remember that we don't use a comma if we start a sentence with a main clause. She would be very happy if she met Kate Moss. I would go for a walk every day if I had a dog. They would buy a house if they won the lottery. And now let's move on to the exercise. Watch this playlist if you want to learn more about conditional sentences in English. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.